Do 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 do, yeah. Do 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 do. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna bad little flex? She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my.
Hey y'all, happy new year. It's a new year, happy 2022. Y'all, I know I've been gone, but I'm just gonna give you guys a quick update. So basically what had happened was COVID had happened. It hit my husband and then it just took everybody down. So here I am with the FYI. When someone in your house gets infected, take a little time before you go get tested, because literally after my husband got tested, we went the next day and we all tested negative. You know why? Because they didn't have a chance to rummage through our bodies. But within basically 4 days of my husband testing positive, my youngest tested positive. So then they were quarantined together. And then literally the doctor was like, well, wait 5 days because now you could have been infected by your daughter and not by your husband. So basically, you know, it just restarts. And lo and behold, day 5, me and Gianna tested positive. And then they were like, well, Leonaya, she doesn't have any symptoms. She's vaccinated. Let's just give her another 2 days. Okay, so we waited 2 more days. She tests positive. That girl had no symptoms, like nothing. So my personal belief is, if you've been exposed, get tested day 5. Because you test before that, you might really technically be positive, but it's too early. And you could be asymptomatic, like my oldest daughter that ain't got no symptoms. I was out. I think I slept 22 hours out the day. Christmas Day, I did actually get up and I cooked, but then I was just like nothing. Like I had nothing in me. So I'm a lot better now. I'm pretty sure you can still hear a little something, but like I feel a lot better. So I did start cleaning the living room, so I'm gonna roll that clip. But y'all, I got so tired, so I feel like my body still got fatigue.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want.
Hey y'all, and happy new year once again. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I just figure I'd come and introduce myself. Hi, my name is Desneke. I'm a married mother of 3, and I do cleaning, organization, some vlogs, some hauls, a few makeovers. So if you think you would enjoy that type of content, I would love for you to stick around and join my fam by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that bell so you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. So let me just give you guys a little update real quick. So as you guys heard in the previous clip, your girl had COVID. I'm almost there. I feel like now I'm about 75%. It's no joke. I'm just grateful that I didn't end up in the hospital or anything, because like you just don't know what it's gonna do to your body. So anyone that's out there right now and you are going through it and you are struggling with COVID or know someone, my prayers are with you. On a lighter note, I know it's cliche because everybody has, resolutions and stuff, but y'all, if you have been rocking with me for a long time, I have gained 40 pounds since I've been on YouTube. And when I'm watching these clips, now let me be honest, when I'm looking in the mirror, I'm like, oh snap, okay, Disney, you gotta do something about this. So I'm going to say 10 pounds at a time, because when I say 40, it just seems unachievable. And it's just like, I can't ever do it. That's what I like. I set myself up for failure. So I'm gonna set up for me to do 10 pounds at a time. I'm going to start Monday the 10th because, I was waiting until I got in a little better place. I'm going to be doing intermittent fasting and just counting my points like
through like, I think it's like My Fitness Pal, or no, it's called Track Bites or something. It's like basically kind of like a Weight Watchers, but you don't got paid for it. So I'm gonna be doing that, and hopefully, I get some of this weight off of me. Cause, but anyway, comment down below some goals that you have, something that you want to achieve, big or small, and we got this. We're gonna do this. I just need to be held accountable, because sometimes I'll go fall off the wagon. So I'm gonna have my husband and my kids be like, "Ma, you said that this is what you wanted to do." Well, anyway, all right, let's get back into this music.
Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all, because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily.
So now we're going to pick back up. So I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna start in this kitchen of mine right now that needs a lot of help. So I think we're gonna start here. Oh, before I do that, let me just show you guys some couple of things that I bought. Let me show you. So I got this from the $5 spot at Target. Isn't it beautiful? I don't really like how I have it set up. I actually have some things coming from, what do you call it, from Amazon. And I'll show you. Like, I kind of like this, but I don't really like that, but I just wanted to put something there. I bought this. Yep, and that was me doing my edges. So we have to put that away. But I bought this right here. Isn't this cute? I got this from Home Goods yesterday. It was $9.99. So I really like that. I don't know how I'm gonna design it yet, but I was like, I'm gonna put this candle on there for right now. But I'm gonna figure it out. And then I bought this too. Isn't this so cute? I didn't even take the tag off or nothing yet. I got this, and this was $7.99. And I think I want it like right here. I just took out the thing and then just didn't do anything to it. But I feel like it needs some green over here. So I have to figure that out. It needs green somewhere. Oh, and then let me show you guys quickly what I got coming. Well, Ayana has that coming. She wanted that. She has Christmas money still, so she just got herself that. But this right here is what I have coming right here, you see? So I got those to go in my tray, tier tray. And also for the tray over there. Ooh, it just got so blurry. I also want like something to go in there. And then I got these again because I have these upstairs and I have it in my bathroom. So I go, oh, I gotta show you these shelves I got Ayana. So I got 2 of those. Can you guys see? Yeah. And then I got these 2 ladders to go for the tier tray. Okay. So I got these from these were in the dollar spot at Target. Look at that, $5. Like the little wall bookshelf.
To a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you.
Could only get better. I needed more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is see-through? Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it? Everything is see-through. You see through. Gotta make space for the new you. Like I'm old news in your rearview mirror. It must be nice you went and got a penthouse. All your friends partying is real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest. Still a baby bird price straight off the nest like you. You said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. Oh, you said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. How can I believe it when everything is seething?
How can I
Everything is seething. Everything is seething. Everything is seething.
Okay, so I just wanted to come on here and mention that I actually did mop, but I didn't show it. I honestly did not mop until later that night. I got tired. I also did like use that rag that you see me using like after I finished cleaning all the cabinets and stuff, and got like in the corners on the floor and the baseboards and stuff, but I didn't show it. I recorded some of it, but then basically you couldn't see nothing but my back, so I just took all those parts out where there was like some spills on the baseboard and the trim. So I did all that off camera. I cleaned behind my garbage can off camera. So I just wanted to mention that. If you are enjoying this video, I would appreciate it if you would give it a big thumbs up and let me know that you're enjoying this video.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind.
like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? I ran away from heartbreak, got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover, nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense.
So I just wanted to give you guys an update. These things came from my tier tray and the regular tray, but you can see this can broke. I'm gonna try to fix it. I just got my hot glue gun. Yes, it looked absolutely disgusting because it has all types of gunk stuck on it, but it still worked. So I'm gonna try and fix that little part right here where it's broke. Okay, I think for now I'm gonna just leave it like this. It's kind of just leaning on the plant, but it kind of looks nice with the green coming out. And I think I'm just gonna leave the bottom like that.
So I, then you, and you, but I, so you, and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. But baby, it had to be you, you.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright.
And I know some people are like, oh my god, I don't use my hands. I use my hands. So sorry,
I'm them
but
people that like that.
I don't have no problem. The meat doesn't bother me to use my hand. Now if I'm doing like chicken legs or something, I'll just use the bowl, the spoon. But like little breasts, I want to make sure. Like
I use my hands only if I got gloves
yeah, it don't bother me
for anything.
Ain't nothing, no some soap and water can't take care of.
She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me.
Alright, so can y'all see? This is one of the sandwiches. This is the chicken on there. I'm gonna put just a little bit of the sauce on there like this. Close it up. And then you guys can see the chicken, the lettuce, just everything. The roll is also buttery. Let me take a bite. You see that, y'all? You see how good that looks? Delicious. Okay, so here's another one. You can see the Chick-fil-A sauce coming out. The crispy chicken, the
Taking